Hello students, now we will go for the test number 6 discussion, doubt discussion. I hope you did well. However, many questions are there which was little tough. Okay, but see, it requires to solve this question paper, requires proper practice. I hope you did well and you are doing your practice. So now the discussion of test number 6. Okay. As per the question in this test paper, you have more doubts. Good. So question number 47. The doubt number is 47, 51, 52. Then 60, 63, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 72, 73, 74, 75, then question number 80, then 86 and 88. These many questions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total number of doubt is 16. So now proceed. Question number 47. However, 16 doubt out of 45 in this type of paper is good. Alright. Not discouraging, encouraging doubts. Good, thank you. So now question number 47. In which case racemation takes place? So you know that racemation when takes place? When there is a chiral center is being generated and by their front as well as back attack, equal probability of front and back attack is possible. So now see which cases we have. First option is CH3, CH, C2H5, CH2Br. If we do, alright, SN1 reaction in OH minus, SN1 reaction in OH minus, then what it forms? SN1 reaction in OH minus, this will become carbocation, and from this place there is hydride shifting. So the structure generated is CH3, C, C2H5, this is plus, and over here CH3. This is now planar carbocation. So on planar carbocation, both the attack is possible, front as well as back. So front or back, both attack is possible. But see over here, 2 CH3 group is attached. This is not a bond, this is the geometry like triangular planar. So both the CH3 is similar, so this carbon is not chiral, so we cannot say they are racemic, they are going to form racemic mixture. See the question number B. So option B is, one is having CD3 and another will be CH3, another will be C2H5 and OH will be at this place. So through this, what does it mean? This carbon is chiral in nature, where OH minus may be present at their front side or as well as their back side. So DL pair, D plus L, DL pair is formed, that is a racemic mixture. So where racemation takes place? B option is correct. Okay, so for racemation we need to see where front and equal probability of front and back attack is possible on triangular planar geometrical molecules. So there will be racemation takes place. Question number 51. 51 is, again see, there is alpha beta unsaturated ketone. So I told you in alpha beta unsaturated ketone, if there is addition, there might be addition of 1 to addition or 1,4 addition. 1,2 addition or 1,4 addition. So 1,2 addition or 1,4 addition takes place. With Grignard reagent, alright, 1,2 addition takes place because 1,2 addition reaction is kinetically controlled. 1,4 addition reaction, 1,2 addition reaction is kinetically controlled. 1,4 addition reaction is thermodynamically controlled. Already I told you with strong basic nucleophile, 1,2 addition is possible. Strong basic nucleophile means RMGBr, that is, strong basic nucleophile, organolithium, that is basic nucleophile, alright, organolithium, that is basic nucleophile, etc. etc. Even NH2 minus, basic nucleophile. So with stronger nucleophile, lithium aluminium hydride, stronger nucleophile, sodium boron hydride, metal hydrides, they are strong basic nucleophile. With all these cases, there will be 1,2 addition takes place over there. In 1,2 additions, what will happen? pH minus approaches to this carbon. This bond is getting transferred to this oxygen. However, their addition, this is one way to discuss. However, their addition depends upon many other factors also. So if it causes 1,2 addition, there will be O minus at this place, pH over here double bond. Again this O minus, which is alright, O minus and MgBr plus is there. MgBr plus is there. So negative charge lies on oxygen, and when O minus will return back, pH minus will migrate to this position. This bond is transferred to this place. So further it forms what? It forms over here double bond O. At this place there is minus charge. Over here pH. Minus will accept H plus, becoming what? There is, it looks like 1,4 addition takes place and phenyl will be at this place. It happens when phenyl is, because phenyl is a good migratory aptitude. Phenyl is having good migratory aptitude. So therefore phenyl minus is migrated to this position and further this bond is getting transferred. Okay, so there is, what will be their product? Their product is this. However, Grignard reagent and causes 1,2 addition as a major product. You might have remember one reaction I gave you in the class where it was phenyl double bond O and H was there. We did pH minus, let's say pH was there. So pH minus MgBr plus, we did this reaction. This was minus, approaches to this bond is shifted, returned back. pH approaches to this bond is transferred. So there was this reaction we did in classroom itself where pH at this place there was pH, over here double bond O and again pH. So this is the product we have formed over there in the classroom. But if there was pH minus Li plus organophenyl, so then pH minus Li plus, what has happened over there? pH minus approaches to this bond is transferred and there will go, they causes 1,2 addition. With pH Li, with this pH Li, they causes 1,2 addition. I told those reactions, I told in classroom itself, when it was pH Li, if you react them with pH Li, so pH minus Li plus, then there was addition like this. Over here pH, double bond O will become OH. At this place there is pH and double bond is retained. Over here pH. So it was in with pH minus Li plus, 1,2 addition is preferential. Okay. Generally, how to decide whether there will be 1,2 addition or 1,4 addition? So with this strong nucleophilic base or strong basic nucleophile, what will be basic nucleophile? There will be 1,2 addition product. There will be 1,2 addition product. If there is a weak basic nucleophile, with weak basic nucleophile there will be 1,4 addition product. With weak basic nucleophile there will be 1,4 addition product. So mind it, remember all the time, if it is strong basic nucleophile, alright, 1,2 addition product is major. product is major. 1,2 addition product is major. With weak basic nucleophile, okay, 1,4 addition is major. 1,4 addition is major. 1,2 addition is major. Strong basic nucleophile, which are those? Like Grignard reagent, RMgX, organolithium, lithium aluminium hydride, sodium boron hydride, etc. etc. Weak basic nucleophile, what are those? Like Gilman's reagent, R2LiCu, Gilman's reagent, R2CD, alright, R2Zn, etc. etc. of this organometallic compound. Then water, okay, HCl or HBr, HCl. Then alcohol, alkylamine, dialkylamine, R2NH, can we say, etc. etc. With weak basic nucleophile, there will be 1,4 addition product. 1,4 addition product is thermodynamically controlled. Thermodynamically controlled. 1,2 addition is kinetically controlled. Kinetically controlled. So it was the case of 51. So 51 answer will be A. 52. 52 answer, now we'll get the 52 because what is that? Gilman's reagent, 1,4 addition. So where is 1,4 addition? C. So answer will be C. Now question number 60. Question number 60. Number question is this one. Question number 60. Is over here fluorine at this place, I over here double bond of Cl. We took magnesium ether, will become Mgi. So this will be Mgi minus Mgi plus. Over here, double bond of Cl. At this place, fluorine. This negative charge approaches to this carbon, bond is transferred, return back, Cl minus will move out. So this structure will become over here fluorine. At this place 1, 2. At this place 1, 2. Alright, and this bond will be joined. Second position there is double bond O. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 membered ring. 6 membered ring is formed. So this is the product. So final product of this reaction is answer B. B is the right answer. Then question number 63. Question number 63. This question is given. Over here OH. At this place SH, over here double bond of Cl, at this place double bond of Cl. What will happen? We have CS3 MgBr. So this is plus, this is minus. Okay, how many moles? X. How many moles? So 1 mole will be consumed to abstract this H plus, another mole will be consumed to abstract this H plus, another mole will be consumed to give this becoming ketone, and another mole will be there becoming alcohol, another mole over here, 2 mole here, 2 mole here, because what we are forming product, their product must be this one. After hydrolysis, this is first, this is second. After hydrolysis. So the product formed is over here OH, at this place SH, over here OH, at this place OH. So to convert them into alcohol, 2 mole is consumed at this place, so 2 mole is consumed at this place. To convert them into alcohol, 2 mole is consumed at this place, 2 to 4, 5 and 6. So total mole consumed will be 6. So answer will be 63, 6. Answer is what? A. 64. 64 is CH3 minus MgBr plus. CH3 minus MgBr plus. Then it reacts with double bond O, this one, hydrolysis H3O plus. So minus approaches to this carbon, this bond is transferred, return back, this will go out. So this structure will become O minus MgBr plus. There is O attached with C double bond O and over here CH3. Okay, this one. Then further another mole CH3 minus approaches to this carbon, this bond is transferred, return back, this will go out. So this will become acetone CH3, C double bond O, CH3 plus. This becomes OH, OH. See the option, acetone, acetone. First option is correct answer. However, answer is given C. C is not correct. Okay. So there is key correction in question number 64. Then we will go for 66. Question number 66. Over here pH, at this place Br, Mg ether, okay, Mg ether. So what it forms? Double bond pH, and this is minus MgBr plus. Now this minus reacts with Hc double bond OH. This approaches to them, this bond is transferred. So this will become like C. Over here pH, at this place CH2O minus will become CH2OH after hydrolysis. Okay. So what is the product given? A. So its answer will be A. The answer given is C, which is not correct. Okay. Answer is given C, which is not correct. Then the question is, how is C, then why, if there is difference in answer, what mistake they did? So while forming C, they have formed vinyl carbocation, and then this minus approaches to this will become OH2 plus, will move out. If it is there, then it forms like this, C double bond, over here pH, at this place CH2, and this is attached with this. This will become plus. If it is plus, then this bond is transferred, and now it becomes, this is transferred, so CH2 plus, over here triple bond and then pH. Then water will attack to them and it will become like CH2OH over here triple bond pH. So the basis of formation of product number C is through this, but through this vinyl carbocation is being generated, which is not possible. Alright, and again this vinyl carbocation is generated and then this bond is getting transferred from 5-membered ring, which is again not possible because with 5-membered ring there will be little strength. Okay, so therefore the end product is this only. So answer will be A, not C. Question number 68. However, the given answer is C, which is to be corrected. Question number 68. Question number 68. The correct decreasing reactivity of following halide towards SN2 reaction follow the order. SN2 reaction, that is transition state formation, and we need to see the least crowd. So we have there is double bond OCl. Okay, this is acyl halide, then alkyl halide, then this one, and then benzyl chloride. Okay, this is given PQRS. Okay, so most reactive towards SN2 is SN2 mechanism. So transition state. So this will become NU nucleophile. So acyl halide is most reactive among all. They are reactive towards SN2 because carbocation, if it is formed, gets stabilized by alpha effect. Then their reactivity is more towards SN1 than SN2. So this is more reactive, then this is more reactive. Then after this there will be benzyl chloride and there will be ethyl chloride. So benzyl chloride phenyl will have less steric hindrance than that of methyl. So this is P is greatest, then S, then among Q and R will have R is having more reactivity than Q. PSRQ is the correct answer. So what is the answer given? 68 B. So B is correct answer. PSRQ. Then question number 70. Reactivity of PHMgBr with the following compound is compound PHOH. This is P, CH3CHO. This is Q, RC triple bond CH. This is R. Then CH3 C double bond O Cl. This is S. Their reactivity towards PHMgBr. 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 And PHMgBr. Okay. PHMgBr. See, this is reactive because of their acidic proton. So acidic proton. This is reactive because of presence of carbonyl carbon. This is reactive because of this acidic character. This is reactive because of good living group. Okay. So over here acyl halide, over here aldehyde. So nucleophilic attack is more possible over here than this. So this is more reactive than. So S is more reactive than Q. So S is more reactive than Q. This we got the thing. Now P and R. So P is more reactive than R. P is more reactive than R. Now compare between R and S. R and S. So R this and S. Okay. So R is more reactive than S because of acidic character. So answer will be PRSQ. What is the order it is given now? Compare PQRS, PRSQ, PRSQ. C is the correct answer. Okay, why R is more reactive than S? Because their reactivity is due to acidic character. Their reactivity is due to electron pair shifting. So this H plus removal is quite easier, kinetically favored than this nucleophilic attack. So this is question number 70. Answer is C. Then we will go for 72. Sorry. 72. What is that? Reactivity towards SN1 reaction. So simply in SN1 reaction forms their carbocation. This will be carbocation. For them this will be carbocation. For them this will be carbocation. And for them this will be carbocation. See, if this is P, Q, R, S. Okay. So Q, this is getting stabilized by dancing resonance. This is getting stabilized by dancing resonance. This is getting stabilized by aromatization. Aromatization. Both the factors are rate stabilizing factors. Dancing resonance will dominate there on aromatization. So Q will be more reactive than S. Now S, P and R. S is more reactive than P and P is more reactive than R. So QSPR. Where is the answer? C. QSPR. Third option. So answer is C. 73. 73. 73. What is this reaction? Reaction is over here CH3, over here CH2, CH3. We do NBS 2 mole. NBS 2 mole means N-bromosuccinamide, allylic substitution. So what it forms? It causes allylic substitution, CH2Br, CH3. Alright. So this is the case. Now this is what? A. We'll do KCN 1 mole. So K plus Cn minus, nucleophilic attack is more possible because this is SN2 mechanism. So less crowd and more crowd. So less crowd and more crowd. So over here more reactive, less reactive. So with 1 mole, this is being substituted CS to Cn. Over here, this Br remains as CS3. This is B. So what is the answer given? B is the correct answer. Alright, this is more crowded. One alkyl group is there. This is least crowded. So SN2 reaction proceeds to the carbon where crowd is less. Next is question number 74. Consider the following case. Over here, bromine front side, hydrogen back side. We do C minus triple bond CH in ether. So reaction must be SN2. Okay. If reaction is SN2, there will be inversion of compound. So this approaches to this. Br minus will approach. So this approaches to the plane. This approaches to the plane. Since it approaches to the plane, alright, and therefore, what will happen? So this product will be, that is hydrogen will be at this place, no change. Okay. And Br minus, there is Br is approaching, Br is there towards the front side. Hydrogen is towards the opposite side. Consider like this. Okay. Consider like this. Over here, bromine. Over here hydrogen. And this new nucleophile acetylide ion approaches to this carbon. This is what? Bromine, and this is hydrogen. Okay. So this hydrogen and this bromine is there. So what we need to do? This nucleophile must be opposite to the bromine side. So this comes to the plane. This comes to the plane. So rotate this molecule. This comes to the plane like this, and then approaches to this. When it approaches to this, this will come front and this goes back. Simply over here, what happens? This approaches to this, and when this approaches to this carbon, bromine, hydrogen, this hydrogen and bromine, this bond and this carbon, they undergo bond rotation. Causes hydrogen which was there at the back side, there is actually the molecule is like this. Over here, at this place there was bromine. Okay. Now the C triple bond O, C triple bond C H minus approaches from this side. Okay, it approaches from this side. Then hydrogen and methyl group will be on the plane itself. So this will be the nature of transition state. So they forms weak bond, they forms weak bond, they forms bond, there this bond is transferred. So what will happen? See, this carbon is chiral. So obviously the product must be chiral, and product must be chiral means product must be with inverted configuration. So hydrogen, methyl, and this hydrogen, methyl, this will come to the front side, this will come to the back side. So from the back side, this comes towards the front side, this comes towards the back side, C triple bond CH. So this product is formed with inversion of their configuration. Now see the configuration of molecules. Where is back side and front side? Back side and front side. 74. Option is A. The given answer is what? D, which is not correct. Alright, C triple bond CH. So obviously this will approach to the back side. If it is bromine is towards the front side, this will approach from the back side. Back side there was hydrogen. So the bond rotation takes place, and due to bond rotation, due to attack, so hydrogen will come to the front side, and this will goes to the back side. So back side approach is possible. Then question, understood or not? Or once again? Once again, see. What was there? It was bromine and it was hydrogen. It was bromine, it was hydrogen. Nucleophile approaches to this molecule from this side. If this molecule will approach, there will be angle strain between nucleophile and this hydrogen. So they undergo bond rotation. Okay, bond rotation. Once there will be like this, they undergo bond rotation like this. Okay, or simply you see there is hydrogen and bromine. Nucleophile will approach towards the back side. If nucleophile will approach towards the back side, transition state must be crowded. Okay, and after removal of this bond, to relieve their crowd, there must be rotation of their bond. So this causes cleavage. Now this bond will be like this. So hydrogen will come to the front and C triple bond C will remain at the back side. So this is the reaction of question number 74. Now question number 75. Question number 75. Which of the following reaction will go faster if concentration of nucleophile is increased? So if concentration of nucleophile increases, it must be SN2 reaction. SN2 reaction means least crowd we need to see. So where is least crowd? C. First option is this. Obviously in first option least crowd. So 75 answer is A. See what is given answer? Given answer is A. Question number 80. Question number 80. Alright. It is what? CS3CHCl. CS2CH2OH with aqueous KOH. So this is very simple. CS3 CHOH CH2 CH2OH. This is the product through SN2 substitution. So if this chlorine is at the front side, this OH must be at the back side. See where is CS3 CHOH CS2 CH2OH, CS3 CHOH CS2 CS2OH. Fourth option is the correct answer. However, there is little misprinting, so we can ignore. Question number 86. Question number 86. C2H5Cl moist 86. C2H5Cl and we take moist Ag2O. So moist Ag2O dry with dry Ag2O it must form ether. With moist Ag2O it forms alcohol. So this is A. Undergo Al2O3 at 360 degrees Celsius. Elimination forms corresponding alkene. This is B. Alkene undergo reaction with S2Cl2. Along with alkene, there might be formation of CS3, CH2O, CH2, CH3. Okay. Over here, what it forms? It forms CH2, CH2, S, CH2, CH3. Over here, S, CH2, CH3. Okay. See, what is the reaction, how it takes place. If we react with this S2Cl2, so 2 sulfur, 2 chlorine. Okay. So what will happen? If this bond is transferred, this Cl minus will move out. So this will become CH2 plus CH2. This is attached with S, Cl. Okay. This Cl minus will approach to this will become CS2Cl. Another molecule CH2, same over here. So another molecule CH2, CH2. So what it forms? CH2Cl, CH2, S, CH2, CH2Cl. Alright. With this compound, CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3. This approaches to sulfur, 2 sulfur, then Cl. This will become plus. Alright, this will become plus. So plus means further what will happen? This plus is there, so this bond is transferred, becoming CH3, CH2 plus this whole molecule CH3, CH2O, sulfur, chlorine. Oxygen, sulfur, there is double bond character. So there will be double bond character means this bond must be broken. So if this bond must be broken, what will happen? So this becomes a good leaving group. Alright, this becomes good living group. So this sulfur internally will approach to this chlorine, causes the elimination of this. It will become what? It will become CH3, CH2, S attached with Cl. Okay, attached with Cl. Again CH3, CH2, O, CH2, CH3, another molecule. They will approach to them. This bond is shifted. Alright, this will become plus. So becoming CH3, CH2, S, O, CH2, CH3, over here CH2, CH3. This is plus. Okay, this is plus. This bond is broken, becoming CH3, CH2, SO, CH2, CH3, and leaving behind, I hope once again you did, impress the whole reaction. Okay, so we have C2H5Cl becoming C2H5OH. This will become C2H4. Become C2H4 as well as little content of ether CS to CS3. Okay. By heating this alcohol at 360 degrees Celsius, this is major product. And these two are and this is minor product. Then these two are subjected to S2Cl2, SSCl, S2Cl2. So what will happen? This will react with this and forms corresponding CH2 plus CH2S, S, CH2, CH2 plus, will have Cl minus, we have here Cl minus. This is nothing, it is a sulfur containing compound, mustard gas. Another molecule, if this will react with them, they will form again sulfur containing compound, monothio compound. So what we were doing the reaction between this and this. If they could react with them, what is the product? However, this reacts with this and this is the product which is being formed. So let's rub this one and then we'll do the reaction between them. Okay. So now we'll do the reaction between CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3 with this sulfur, chlorine, sulfur, chlorine. So their electron pairs, this migrated to this, causes the elimination of chlorine, becoming CH3, CH2O attached with sulfur, sulfur, chlorine. Over here CH2, CH3. This oxygen is plus. Okay, this oxygen is plus. Again, if this oxygen is plus, what will happen? This bond is either this bond is shifted or this bond is shifted. So which bond is shifted? Oxygen sulfur bond is weaker than carbon oxygen bond, so this bond is shifted. So what will happen? It forms CH3, CH2, O, CH2, CH3 further, plus S, SCl, and this will be plus. Cl minus, which is eliminated, approaches to them, again it will become S2Cl2. So the final product is from this to S2Cl2 and forms mustard gas. So where is mustard gas? Option number C. So 86 option number is C. Question number 88. Question number 88. Question number 88. What is the product obtained when chlorine reacts with ethyl alcohol in presence of NaOH? Ethyl alcohol is this. Reacts with chlorine and NaOH. So this combination will be NaOCl. This is haloform reaction. CH3CH2H gets oxidized to this. Further it gets converted to CHCl3 plus HC double bond O minus. Halo form is D. So what is the product? Product is D. Answer is D. Okay, and this is all about the discussion of test number 6. Okay, in next video we will do the heat of combustion and heat of hydrogenation. Alright, go for that. Heat of combustion and heat of hydrogenation. Next video we will do that. Thank you very much. Thank you.